What are the main benefits of using Python? Python is a versatile and powerful programming language with many benefits, including easy to learn and use. Python has a simple and intuitive syntax which makes it easy to learn and use even for beginners. Large standard library. Python comes with a large standard library that provides many useful modules and functions, making it easy to perform a wide variety of tasks without having to write a lot of code. Cross platform. Python is cross-platform, which means that it can run on wide variety of operating systems, include Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Open source. Python is an open source programming language, which means that it is free to use, distribute, and modify. High level language. Python is a high level programming language, which means that it provides abstraction that makes it easy to write complex program. Dynamic and interpreted. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means that you don't have to declare the data type of a variable before using it. It is also interpreted language, which means that you can execute Python code without having to compile it first. Excellent community and support. Python has a large and active community of developers who contribute to the development and provide support through online forums, blogs, and social media. These benefits make Python a popular choice for wide variety of applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.